Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to add new supplier on your AutoDS. So guys, open your AutoDS account, and after that guys, what you have to do, just click on this option, add the supplier, and this option. And after that guys, what you have to do, just search for a supplier, for example Amazon supplier, as you can see here, or AliExpress supplier, and click the selected region and click add supplier. And after that guys, what you have to do, just once you have selected supplier, choose the following step. Choose the recommended setting applied, and you can copy setting already from another supplier you already added. For example, click the copy from another provided or recommended setting and click add supply. And after that guys, click this option, as you can see here, click lister, and you can copy it from another supplier, the lister setting here from this one, as you can see here. I hope guys this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.